east, and this is west. 7 east, 7 west. This is where we have our handsome, we have our mopless, both paid and subscription. We've done the installation separately before. I've also done this separately before. So the major focus here is getting it on smaller dish as against big dish. Please take note, smaller dish will not give you, smaller dish like they will not give you everything you need, but if you need, just focus on about 42 channels of the total package of Nilesat 7 West, and you have something like this. I'm sure about NBCs there, some peninsular stations are there, and some spots, Arabic spots. So this is what we have. So let's quickly do the measurements. Now I said 7 west, 7 east. I told you when you have east and west, to do the length, you have the east, you have the west, get the average of 2, then you get your answer. So if I say 7 plus 7 to give me 14, then the average is 2 satellites or 2 LMB combinations. So that will be 14 divided by 2 to give us the same 7. So let's see and confirm. Now this from here to here, remember I told you from this place, the LMB here to the LMB here, 7 apart. Cameraman, are you seeing the tape? So from here to here like this is 7 apart. So this is what we have, 7 apart, 7 inches from this place to this place, from there to this place, 7 inches apart. Then what about the height? The height is from this place, from this oh, I've shifted it, sorry, take it a bit. The height will be from here to here. The height from this side to this side, the height is also 7 apart. So from this side, the length is 7, the height is also 7. So from here to here 7, from here to here 7. I would like you to take notes when you're attaching this 7 west, depending on your location, but basically you can see the LMB skew. LMB skew. This is about almost 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. So we're going to try and track it and see if we'll get the signal. May I prefer 9 o'clock, some prefer 6 o'clock, but we're going to do it now and see the best skew that will give us the signal. So let's just on the front and see what we have here. Because of the sun, let's come down from the sun. So hold on. So I have 11. Okay, come and see what I'm saying. Look at this. At this point, the signal was not coming up. You have 9 at this point, 0. So look up again. Take it back to the 9 o'clock I told you. So at this point you have 36. So come. You have 36 as a signal quality. So from 36, you can see we've got, you can also do your maneuvering, you can get more than 36. But I have 36, and my 36 in my channel, my signal gives me a stable network. So These are 7 west. So go back again. Let's go back and confirm that our 7 east is working. Seven east position. I want to make it clear so that it's not as if we just make up anything here. It's practical installation we are doing here. So because some people will still doubt, some people will still insult. So I want to make sure you can see this one. The LMB skew from my own end is 6 o'clock. Why the 7 east? The LMB skew is between 8 and 9 o'clock. Depending on your location, whatever you get, just make sure that it gives you the best of sense. So let's go. Let's see our 7 east. We got our full signal here. Can I search for a free channel? Most of them are paid. Trying to see if I can get any free channel here so that we'll confirm. I'm not seeing any free channel here. All of them are majorly paid. But they all have signals. This one has 4. So it is confirmed by both our 7 west and our 7 east are working. So let's just quickly let me take you around and see how it is. A summary. This angle like this is 7. The height is also 7. Look at how it is. Look at how it is from this angle. Look at how it is. Take it around again. Have a clearer view of it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments. Questions, I will be there to answer your questions. Thank you, and bye-bye.